In this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset an iPhone, removing all of your data, iCloud and activation lock so that you can sell it or give it away. First, on the home screen, tap Settings. Now tap General. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Erase all content and settings at the bottom of the screen. On the next screen, you'll see a message reminding you that erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. It signs out of iCloud, deletes all of your data, and also turns off Find My and Activation Lock. To continue, tap the Continue button and then Erase iPhone. Next, you'll be asked for your iPhone passcode. This is the code you use to unlock your phone. Enter the code and the iPhone will begin uploading a backup of your phone's data to iCloud. You can use this on your new phone to transfer all of your data across. Once it's finished, you'll be asked for your Apple account password to turn off Find My and Activation Lock. Type your password and tap Return and the iPhone will start being erased. After a couple of minutes, you should find yourself back at the Hello screen. Now you can hold down the up volume and power buttons, then swipe right to turn off the phone. And all that's left to do now is to put the phone back in its box and it's ready for the new owner. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.